up? It's Imani and Nay. Once again, for the 12th time this season. This is Serious Lack, your host. We are co-produced and co-directed by Bracket Sai, presented by On The Menu. Our 12th episode is for the stylists, the DJs, the math intersection. We call it the common area of all curation. It's none other than DJ Milky McTabby Mina. What's up?
Hello.
Na-miss mo yung bangkal?
Oo naman.
When was the last
Bangkal.
time?
I think it was last year. Kasi may mga friends ako nakatira doon dati. Tapos umalis na sila. So, lagi akong nasa Bangkal last year. Tapos ngayon na ulit ako bumalik.
Your first gig was bangkal.
Yeah, doon sa stockroom. Parang anniversary ba yun? You were there.
Munchies Machine.
Yeah, Munchies. Anniversary ng Munchies. Tapos sa stockroom.
And I noticed nung time na yun, ano ka pa lang, controller.
Yeah,
Right.
DJ SB3 lang ako.
Till
So,
now naman,
first
till
gig.
now naman, right?
Yeah,
Pag kailangan.
oo, pag kailangan.
But, I noticed the first few gigs.
Mhm.
You were a bit hesitant about CDJs.
Yeah, parang hindi pa ako confident or scared pa ako. Ganun. Wala pa akong experience masyado sa
How long have you been doing it?
The what?
DJing.
The DJ thing. I think it's a year and a few months. Ganun pa lang. I'm still a baby.
Compared to styling.
Styling. I've been doing it
Styling,
since,
matagal na yan.
yeah, 2018. I've been doing it for a long time.
Is styling your first job? Hindi di ba?
No, I used to be a sales associate at Purveyor Post. So, kawork ko sa Lawayan, sa Lamong.
Poblacion.
Yeah, sa Poblacion.
Sa ilalim ng kubo.
Yeah, Kubo. Tapos may parang
Before the former,
paakyat na
sa
store.
nearby the former Yala Yala.
Yeah, dito yung yala-yala din. Paakyat doon
Yeah.
sa side. Yun yung post dati. So yeah, doon kami nagsismoke. Chill lang.
Vaping.
Yeah, vaping.
And doon pa nanggaling yun, yung styling mo? When you were there na?
No, I used to be an intern for Metro Magazine. Cause
So sanay ka sa editorial world.
I really love fashion. Pero multimedia arts ako
Saan?
sa CIIT.
Right.
Tapos, nag-intern ako sa ABS as I asked yung HR, yung human resource if pwede ba sa fashion ako. Ganun. Tapos, pinasok
Pinagbigyan
nila
ka?
ako sa Metro. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta ask.
Yun.
And the styling came from there na.
Yeah. So, parang na-notice ni Boss Marvs, yung may ng post na...
Shout out to
mahilig ako
Marvin.
Yeah. Hi, Boss Marvs.
Congrats sa fair.
Yes, sir. Tapos, parang binibigyan niya ako ng mga mini shoots pang promotional content ng post. Like, kami ni Misha. Si Misha yung nagpo-photo. DJ Keychain. Tapos, ayun, ako yung nagsistyle, ganyan. I mean, kami nila Pablo, nila Misha. Kami yung gumagawa ng content.
Nag-styling si Pablo?
No, siya yung model.
Okay.
Either siya or si Mish. Parang salitan, ganun.
And it was always you?
Yeah. So, parang ako yung binigyan ni Boss Marvs ng inassign niya sa mga fashion stuff, styling stuff, ganun.
How are you with Marv now?
Okay lang, we're cool.
You haven't worked with him for a hot minute.
Yeah, not really.
When it comes to DJing, what are the things that you've seen na, okay, it's thanks to my styling experience, this part of DJing is easy?
I think the dressing up part.
Yeah, because you're used to like the brand gigs, right? You're used to that.
Yeah.
Adidas, Originals.
Yeah, so parang when it comes to DJing, I get to dress up as me, like, pero more elevated, more fun, more parang showing my personality more than as a stylist. Kasi parang may parang specific na inaano pag stylist, may mga direction na kailangan i-achieve compared
Basically, an outfit that would have otherwise been a little overkill kung hindi siya gig.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can say it's kind of like an excuse, no?
Pwede.
For me, it is. For me, it is.
Yeah. Pwede.
The show is an excuse for me to dress up.
Same naman. Like, I get to wear mga more fun clothes when I get DJ gigs compared to a stylist.
So it's basically just an elevated form of black.
Yeah.
Why is that a thing sa stylists?
Yung
Like,
black.
I'll style all these people, I'll create all these clothes. Pero pag ako na, black lang.
We call it template drip. Kasi parang
Template drip.
template drip. Kasi parang ano siya eh, uniform mo, but more elevated. Parang stylist ka pa din, like naka-drip ka pa din, pero naka-black. Parang uniform, as a production team, ganun.
Have you done runway shows as a stylist?
Yeah, I did, I think,
So you did the whole walking out after the show thing.
No.
Is that in the pipeline for you?
Pwede naman. But it's a designer's thing eh, when you walk after the show.
It's not a stylist thing.
Yeah, it's a designer thing.
Yes. And you don't fashion yourself as a designer?
Not yet. I'm trying to working on it though. Parang magagawa ko ng mga rework pieces. So, stay tuned. Inaayos ko pa siya.
How tuned should we stay? As in this year, ganun?
No, mga next year siguro. But you'll see. May project ako.
Hey.
Maybe next month lalabas siya.
Solo?
It's an introduction to my designing career.
Talaga?
Yeah.
This year?
Next month. Yeah.
Next month na agad. Okay. So this show comes after that.
Yeah.
December tayo.
Oh, yeah. Oo nga pala.
How ironed out are those details? Is it my venue na and everything?
Yeah, meron na. May details na. I just have to do the design. Basta, it's really difficult pa. And I'm working on it.
How, what's the scale here? What are we talking? Like,
Um,
full on experience?
Yeah.
Sensory overload type
Not
shit?
really full on experience. It's actually an art show. Tapos, kasama ako.
May venue na.
Yes.
Can we announce it?
Not yet. Wala pang bawal pa sabihin.
Area man lang.
Makati.
So it's Poblacion.
No. Ayala.
Daytime event, nighttime
Yes,
event.
it's a daytime. It's an art show.
There's so many questions I want to ask you without putting you on the spot.
Sige lang.
Sige na nga, I won't na. I'm holding back so hard.
Mm-hmm.
Sige na lang. Spare me the suffering without me asking. What can you reveal about it?
So
Give me your PR, political, whatever answer.
So I always wanted to do a rework project, reworking clothes, ganon. And this brand tapped me in to become part of this art show this October. So yun lang yung masasabi ko.
Ano to? High fashion or streetwear?
It's streetwear.
Shit. Alam nila?
No.
We have Len and Manila Junkie backstage. Making it look like alam nila yung details. Ano to? So, you have the whole program laid out na?
Yeah.
Openers, show, ganun.
Um,
Afters.
Actually, it is not my event. Parang lang ako. Naka-line up lang ako as one of the artists.
But it's still your debut into
Yeah.
designing.
It's my introduction as a fashion designer, guys. So,
The way you work ba, alam mo na yung next move mo after that? Or just whatever's in front of you lang?
all I can say is, after this, gagawa na ako ng more clothes. And then,
Hindi na
I'll
siya
think about
rework clothes.
I wanna make it as rework pa din. Because it's my branding. Like,
So, one of one,
destroying
lagi.
clothes, reworking, ganon. Painting clothes, ganon.
Painting clothes.
Existing clothes, ganon. Yun kasi yung brand ko. So,
So you're gonna paint them black?
No,
black
no,
clothes
not
mo, pintura
black.
mo ng black?
You'll see. It's not black. Like, magulat ka lang. Gawa ni Nick to?
You're gonna wear them at gigs?
No, I'm not gonna wear it for myself. Parang,
Why is that a thing? Why is that a thing for stylists and designers? I'm gonna create this extremely detailed
hindi ko alam
outfit.
Parang may kasi kami. Parang, mas gusto namin may muse kami to wear our pieces. Ganon.
Kasi that's like, imagine if you made a remix of a really good song, tapos hindi mo siya piniplay.
Oh.
Right.
But that's a different thing.
Right?
Pag-
Sige, can you define how that's different?
Kasi pag pag stylist or designer, parang usually may muse ka kasi.
Who's your muse?
My muse is, I don't have a muse yet.
Alright. Sabi mo, kailangan, di ba, usually
Yeah,
may muse
but
ka.
I'm still working on the designing part, so I'm still looking for a muse. So, ganun.
How do you involve Only More in your projects?
Only more sa styling or
Anything.
anything.
Any side quest type beat.
Actually, they're my motivation. Parang they are.
Really?
Yeah.
Despite its early conception?
Yeah.
Really?
Parang-
so, paano ka before all that?
I get to consult with them kasi, I mean, they're my friends na for a long time. Tapos
And
I
they're
get,
all very experienced in this world.
kinda, yeah, but I get to consult na if is this okay, ganyan-ganyan, like, mga creative process, ganon.
And iba-iba kayo no? There's
Yeah.
interior designers,
Mm-mm.
yan.
So, I get to consult kung anong dun sa mga creative process ko, if this is okay, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi I don't have a mentor sa styling.
Okay. My next question was a mentor, so wala talaga.
Wala akong mentor.
Are you still looking or tapos ka na?
I can just look around sa everywhere.
But when it comes to DJing, wala ka rin mentor.
Mentor ko?
Di ba?
Wala nga si Gia. Ganun.
Right. Shout out to Gia de Mendes.
Hi, Be.
Who just graduated.
Yeah. Hi, Be.
Kabatch niya yung photographer namin.
Oh, wow.
LPU Pirates.
Tama.
But when it comes to DJing and styling, how do you... Kasi kami here, for example, one of our guys here, he's an MC/DJ.
Mm-hmm.
And so far, ang labo gawin na parang, magigig ako as a DJ. Tapos ako rin yung MC. That's weird.
Di ba, yun?
That's
parang
weird.
You
It's
play,
weird,
tapos
man.
like,
It's
"Ayo."
weird. Introduce mo yung sarili mo? Our next DJ is me. That's weird, man. That's
Tama
weird.
naman.
So, how do you, in your case, kasi kung siya, yung day job niya has nothing to do with MCing and DJing.
Mhm.
So, MCing and DJing, there's a big intersection there. But it's so awkward, or at least wala pang gumagawa nun. Yung siya na yung DJ, siya pa yung MC. Siguro the closest is Jael, but he sings.
Mhm.
So, how do you see styling or designing
Mhm.
marrying DJing? Because essentially, the tour is just curation, di ba?
Yeah. Yeah, gets. Pero malayo pa rin eh. Kasi styling is more on, ano ba? Literal na yung naisip ko eh, mga dressing of
Go.
people. Like,
Sige.
tapos, pag nagdi-DJ ka, malayo pa rin eh.
So,
Except,
gano'n ka nakalalim
Yung
as a
pinaka,
designer?
kasi nila is just curation.
Surface.
Yeah. Anong gano'ng kalalim?
Like, you're that deep na. Kasi myself, not a stylist, so I only see it from the surface. And my perception is, okay, as a DJ, at the very core of it, you're just a curator.
Mm-hmm.
The skills are just, icing on the cake. All the mixing, all the scratching, all that.
Yeah.
It's just sprinkles na lang yun. Really, the true skill is curation and ordering your songs, those things. And oftentimes, I see fashion the same way as,
Mm-hmm.
okay, sige, how do you make this regular black t-shirt look good? Ano yung suotin mo with it?
Well,
So,
now that
curation
you mention it, parang same lang talaga sila ng process. Like, you get to prepare your songs for your gig. Tapos, pag styling naman, you prepare clothes for your client. Ganyan. Same process lang sila eh. So, nagpa-plan ka ng clothes, and ganyan. Nagsiset ka ng clothes, gagawa ka ng deck. Ganun din pag DJing. Tapos, ikaw na bahala dun sa actual shoot. So, naka-prepare na yung mga clothes mo, ganyan-ganyan. Then, ikaw na bahala kung paano mo i-layer yung clothes on the actual shoot. Ganyan. So, pag DJ naman, ganun din. Same din ng
But
how do you mix your songs?
Workflow-wise, how do you go about it? Because workflow is one of the most important parts of being a DJ. Kung pangit yung workflow mo, kahit sobrang galing mo, pagdating mo sa gig, essentially that means you're not prepared.
Yeah. Well, I'm still working on my
creative
workflow.
process ka na kasi coming into DJing, buo na yung styling mo eh. As an artist, you're already whole. And as a professional, more importantly.
Yeah, but in terms of my workflow as a DJ, medyo hindi pa siya ganun ka kalinis compared sa styling workflow
Can you share?
ko.
Okay, fine. Sige. You downloaded 10 songs.
Mhm.
What's next?
Ginawa ko siyang playlist, ganyan. Tapos tinetest ko siya sa bahay. Ganun.
Ginagawa mo siyang playlist.
Like,
What does that
nakalist.
mean? Like, new songs? Ganun? New song playlist?
Not really. Parang ano siya. Parang,
I'm really trying to dissect the workflow.
parang, as in, inaano ko siya, piniplay ko siya, ganyan. Tapos, medyo weird ako So, depend,
Hindi ka genre. You're more of vibe.
more on vibe. Yeah, more on vibe. I
Like, you don't put hip-hop. No, it's more of,
more on vibe.
pang
Like-
boogie to. Pang ano to, pang kampay to.
Tapos, vibe check ko rin yung mga, yung crowd. I play a song, tapos,
Right, okay. So, you downloaded 10 songs, right? And then
Yeah.
it comes the playlist part. Hindi mo ginagawa yung metadata. Like, what? What's the workflow like?
I still have much more to learn as a DJ, so, I just put it there.
So, pag tinignan namin yung library mo, may mga files doon na may mga underscore pa yung titles. Oh, man.
Oo.
Tapos yung artist, blank. No.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Nakakahiya
Pero-
yung ano ko.
No, sabi mo, you're self-aware by saying you're still early in this.
Mhm. I still have so much more to learn, honestly.
But, all things considered, you're pretty, yung mga napupunta mong gig.
As of now, I'm mastering kung paano ako nagpa-play during the gigs. Yun yung minamaster ko. But in terms of preparing my set, like, ganun, not
Kasi
yet.
yung totoo, may nakakatamad naman kasi talaga eh. Yung part
I
na yun.
agree. Nakakatamad. Minsan ginagawa ko siya last minute, like, 2 hours
And you
before my
always regret
set.
it.
Yeah.
Kasi darating ka sa gig na pagod na.
Yeah. Ganon.
That's what I teach all these guys here behind the camera is that do your homework early. Do it Monday. Tapusin mo na ng Tuesday yan. Para yung Wednesday gig mo and onwards. Wala na
Oo. Yeah. That's what my broad friends says a lot to me na, do your homework. Always prepare prior to the day of the shoot.
So when it
Which
comes
I
to
do-
styling, mas magandang workflow mo sa
Yeah.
styling.
Yeah. Like, if may shoot ako next week, I prepared 5 days before. Like, nag-prepare na ako.
Pull outs and everything.
Yeah.
5 days before.
Yeah.
Pero yung DJ, 2 hours before. So now, the next time I see you sa Kampay, I'll be like, hey dude, 2 hours lang ago, pinaprepare.
Sorry naman. Book niyo pa rin ako.
Pag may nagsabi na, gagawin galing nito ah. Oo, may 2 hours ago lang yan naghanda. But, we talked about your first gig, which was the former stock room.
Mhm.
And nagpo-pull outs ka din from there before.
Yeah.
So it's really, the intersection is huge.
Mhm.
In that sense, do you feel like, oh, I got all these gigs kasi I made a name for myself before becoming a DJ? Not in that sense. More like, oh, alam ko na kung paano gumalaw.
Oo, yeah, ganun. Kasi, nung nag-style, as a stylist, hindi lang naman siya about nagdadamit ka ng tao, pero
Right?
more on networking din. So, you have to talk to people a lot, yung ganyan.
And it's not to say na simply meeting people is enough. Right? Kasi a lot of people might interpret that as saying, kailangan ko lang siya makilala and then I'll be good. No, it's the deeper meaning of that is that's your chance to show someone what you're like. And essentially, if you're trying to get the gig that person can give you, what you're really just doing is, hey, I hope nararamdaman mo yung binibigay ko sa'yo na, and I hope you think you can get me. It's not necessarily, na-meet kita, eto na, connection na kita. It's not like that. I hope no one interprets it like that. Because I'm sure, dude, sa internet. Anyway, when it comes to styling kasi, I noticed that you're very used to the studio setup.
Yeah.
When it comes to styling, you're not in front of the camera. But when it comes to DJing, you're at the center of everything.
I always get
At least these
anxiety.
days.
Kinakabahan pa rin ako.
Until
Always in
now?
the center. Yeah.
Even sa mga venues na sanay ka na.
Yeah, lalo na pag hip-hop events. Kasi they don't dance on your set. They just,
Yeah, they don't. They just
they
bob
just
their
watch.
heads.
Yeah.
And they watch.
They just watch. So, parang kinakabahan ako, like, nag-enjoy ba to sila or what? Ganun.
Ano yan? Are you talking about the boogie gigs? Ganun?
No, like hip-hop events, yung may mga nag-rap.
Ay, yeah.
As in, ganyan.
Yeah. Kasi lalo na alam mo na hindi ikaw yung pinuntahan nila.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
But
So-
sometimes they just, like, lalapit sila sa'yo. Pero manonood lang, ganun.
Nasabihan ka na ba ng nice set, Pops?
All the time, pag hip-hop event.
Stop saying that. we have, just say good job. Yun na lang.
Good job.
Just stop saying nice set, Pops.
Nice set,
We've been
Pops.
hearing that since Route 196. If your first gig was Munchies, what was your biggest gig so far?
My biggest gig was this Michael Kors event.
Yung naka-gloves ka.
Yeah, naka-leather
Take
gloves ako
notes.
nun. Wala lang, that was fun. But
The pigtails. I
the
remember
people didn't really dance to my set. They were just talking, so I was just a
that. To be
background
fair,
noise.
that it's the world they move in.
Well, fair enough.
Right?
I enjoyed it anyway.
Uminom ka, no? Mga champagne type event to eh.
Champagne, yeah.
Yeah, see?
And their ice cream was really good.
Shout out to Michael Kors. Michael Kors, baka naman.
Michael Kors, SSI, baka naman.
Baka naman. Now that you've DJ'd for someone like them, yung mo naisip, oh, baka naman, styling naman next.
Yeah, baka naman, no, styling. I always wanted to have a luxury designer client.
Collab na, wag client.
Pwede naman.
Like Michael Kors X Milky, bro. What's something that keeps you up at night na ini-imagine mo? Like, for example, si Astrid recently had her poster displayed in Times Square.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Ano yung ganun mo?
Gusto ko kasi talaga mag-grow yung styling ko. Yun yung priority ko talaga.
Of course.
I always wanted to have like sneaker collabs. Like Asics, ganun. I don't care about having a billboard or something. I just want to have a big sneaker collab.
So what's that?
It's either Asics or Onitsuka, mga ganun.
Hapon ka ba?
No.
You're pure.
No.
What?
I mean,
What's your DNA?
I'm part Chinese, pero mga ancestral part na yun.
You don't really feel it.
I don't feel it. I'm Filipino as fuck, man.
Hindi lang siya Filipino. Bro. Filipinos, fuck. So bagay, tambay nga ng bangkal, man.
Diba?
Sabi mo na, okay, you wanna do those collabs.
Mm-hmm.
How prepared are you? May deck ka na.
I have some ideas on my mind, but if
So wala. It's ideas. It's not even sketched.
I mean, I have like a Pinterest board. I have a list of notes na ganun. But if you want me to make a deck right now, I could do it.
So kung if I was on Itska and I said, hey Mick, let's collab. Ang response mo sa akin, I have ideas. Hindi siya yung, oh, look at this sketch I made.
I could just easily make a deck on it. I just had it on my mind. Pero kasi wala pa eh. Gets naman. I'm not that prepared, but I could easily put it on a deck.
Which begs the question, why haven't you?
Maybe because no one had tapped me in yet. Or maybe I have
So
other
you're that kind of.
I have other stuff pa naman to work on. I have some other collabs that I need to work on. So parang
Anything you can
it's
announce?
just on the back of my mind.
Anything you can announce? Ano yung mga collabs na yun?
I'm working on Just G. It's a
Damn.
yeah, I know, ang layo ng branding,
Yeah.
diba? So I'm working on Just G.
But work is work.
Tapos, we have an upcoming Unli More Sunday brunch at Annex House.
And I'm guessing you're playing.
Yeah, of course.
All of you guys though. As in barbecue type event.
Yeah.
Right.
But we're doing an open deck thing so everyone could play. And I'm doing an all-nighter sa Boogie.
On that same day?
No, it's on the 27th.
September.
Yeah.
Which is... Oh, so wala ka sa
This
Planet
Friday.
Finale.
I could jump.
All-nighter ka eh.
I could jump. Matatapos na ng 3 yun.
Ano yung all-nighter yun? Ano siya, regular night? Are we collaborating on anything?
No. It's just
All-nighter, bro.
it's just my event. So parang birthday ko siya na hindi.
Birthday mo sa 27?
Hindi ko siya birthday. I just like to think na it's my birthday.
All the curveballs she's throwing me, man. Alam mo yung kung si Eric Andre, in-interview niya si Nardor,
That's the peg.
That's what it feels
That's
like
the
right
thing.
now. Usually, when I interview someone, ginugulat ko talaga siya eh. Hey, I know this happened to you when you were 4 years old. Hindi ko magawa sa kanya. Because she's like, I'm Filipino as fuck.
I am Filipino as fuck.
Yun,
Kung gusto mo
wala.
mag-inom dun sa labas, let's go.
You haven't been to Bangkal in a year. What was
It
the
still
last?
feels the same though,
It
except
still feels the
ang
same.
tahimik lang sa labas. What the fuck is going on? Or maybe it's a Sunday?
It's a Sunday.
It's a Sunday, yun. Kaya siguro ganun.
It's a Sunday. It's usually really busy this part, like walang parking and everything. But Sundays are.
But I really love Poblacion on a Saturday or Friday night. Parang ang saya ng mga tao, like nagwawala sila and like they're all crazy.
Nagwawala sila.
Gusto
What
ko
part
lang-
of
gusto ko
Poblacion do you
lang
go to,
ano.
bro?
Mini stop.
Stop.
I love mini stop.
Baka si Jay yung ano mo ah. Baka si Jay yung sinasabi mo. Jay. This photo of Jay. Outside St. Chow. Sorry, Von. Coach mo daw yun. No? You gotta pay for damages, Jay. Because this happened.
Have you tried drinking sa mini stop? Sometimes I just go to Poblacion just to drink outside mini stop. And
Ano
I can
to?
just
Solo
observe.
type quest?
No, with friends. Like, magmi-mini stop lang kami and just observe people.
Doon sa may fish
Ang
mall.
ang daming nagwawala, ang daming,
Madami talaga,
they're like,
G.
whoa, this is so
Sila
fun.
Jay. And ano to, yung tipong after gig ko, tara, tambay tayo dun sa kanto. Ganon. So may
Pwede.
guilt yan eh.
Oo.
That's funny because, of course, everyone here behind the camera, we're always there. We never see her standing outside mini stop. Well, si Manila Junkie is different. He's saying, yes, siya daw nakikita niya. Hindi eh. I show speed ng Poblacion to eh. The guy walks with the crowd.
Mayor ng Poblacion.
Baka ano ka na. Am I gonna say it? The most used joke. Baka hindi ka na Manila Junkie. Mahati Junkie ka.
Mini stop junk.
Mini stop junkie.
Oh, may hindi na pala mini Uncle John's na
Yeah,
pala.
Uncle John's na.
Uncle John's junkie.
Pero sa Grab and sa Angkas, it's still mini stop.
Hmm?
It's still mini stop sa Grab
Oo nga eh.
and Angkas.
You should stop saying mini stop. Kasi they get offended.
We should
Yung
stop
mga-
saying, hindi, pero Uncle John's and mini stop are kind of like the same.
Gets naman. Pero yung mga nagtitinda sa mini stop, they always correct me. Ma'am, hindi na po
talaga?
mini stop. Uncle
Yo,
John's na po.
ang higpit pala nila sa branding nila. So, ang
Yeah.
branding ng Uncle John's ay sira lagi aircon at bawal sabihin yung mini stop.
Sila.
Yun yung branding ng Uncle John's. No, dude, it's the same. You can't do anything about it. So, ano yung mga napanood mo while standing around loitering? Ito yung totoong loiter squad.
Yeah. So, may auntie kagabi na lasing siya. Doon siya sa stairs. Sa stairs ng gilid ng mini stop. Tapos, parang ganun lang siya.
Alone?
May mga kasama siya, pero pinapabayaan siya ng mga kasama niya.
Eh kasi
So,
nakakainis
nakaganon
naman,
siya.
Jay eh. Tingnan mo si Jay.
Fucking 4 a.m. and she's doing this. And she's yelling kung ano-ano. This was last night, by the
Paano
way.
yung auntie as in 40s?
No, we just call auntie girl. Girly pop, sige, girly pop.
Bata.
Mga ka-age natin, ganun.
So you're that type of... Streets nga siya. Streets na siya. Kasi, man...
So-
we all call each other here uncle. Oh, yonks. Minong kami eh. So, literally, she does the same auntie.
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
Hindi naman, I don't know. I just like to call people that
Saan
way.
galing yun?
Mga friends ko. Are you like judging me right now?
No. Ito nga
I could
yung-
just say it. I just
the
like
point
girly
of the
pop
interview
and-
nga eh.
Girly pop, ganun. I could just say it in a girly way.
Fine, sige. Let's go back on topic.
Lalo na.
But to keep things light, say, I'm sure there are people who are curious. Like, tama ba yung assumption namin na it's milky because galing siya sa milk?
Ganun na nga. And it sounds cute. I like everything cute kasi despite my personality lang kana like parang si Kuromi but I'm actually a My Melody.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
Yeah. Para kang kung si Wednesday Adams, pero mahilig kumain ng Skittles. Parang
Yeah,
ganun.
ganon. Pero wala naman talagang meaning kung bakit milky. It just sounds cute.
But there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Ako rin naman, not serious lack means nothing. It came from a book.
That is so cool.
Right? Hinayjack ko lang yung pangalan niya. To be fair, Sirius Black, well, Sirius is a star. Alam mo yun? So, no one, does anyone really own the name? I don't think
Watashi
so.
was star.
Hindi ka talaga Pinoy, dude.
No, hindi. I'm Filipino as fuck. I just told you. Ano lang yun.
Kabisado mo yung
Side-
dance na yun, eh, no?
Hindi ko kabisado yun. Panoorin niyo yung reel namin sa Only More.
Kaya tumalikod ka na lang. Take notes.
Sabi sa'yo, hindi nga ako Japanese. Hindi nga ako marunong sumayaw nun.
But you were dancing dun sa gig mo recently with sila Pablo.
What the? Ano lang yun, hindi siya totoong dance. It's just...
You were dancing to a DMX song.
It's not an actual dance. Alam mo yung pag, ano ka lang, masaya ka lang. You just...
And this after you say na you're usually nervous at hip-hop events.
When people just stare at you. Pero kasi, during that time, it was Pablo's birthday event, by the way. So,
Belated.
everybody was dancing. Yung mga friends ko, they were
Si
vibing
Pablo
with
is
the
Wayan.
music. Hello, Pablo. So, they were dancing, ganyan-ganyan. They're just vibing with the song. Parang parang friends event siya, but it's not a friends event, it's a public event.
What's your favorite gig?
My favorite gig is an Only More event.
Which one?
Lahat ng Only More.
That's so, come on.
Sige,
That's like asking Manila Junkie, what is your favorite gig? Tapos sinabi niya, lahat ng Orange Juice Asia.
well, that's a different
Dude,
thing.
don't do that
sige.
here.
Yan, like 5 events pa naman.
O di, ano yung favorite mo dun sa 5?
Pinaka-favorite?
Don't say 5.
Okay, so, yung parang MV release ng friend namin, si JC, it was a collab with them. Parang
Where was this?
in Boogie.
Oh, it was that one.
So, ang daming tao.
Yung ba yung nandun sila Sika?
No, that was a different thing.
Sorry, no, bad decision.
Yeah, that's a bad decision.
But anyway, about your favorite.
So, my favorite event kasi, wala lang. Could I just say it's so fun, you know?
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
It's a hip-hop event. Pero,
What's your relationship with hip-hop?
well, maybe because I'm surrounded with rappers and hip-hop people na parang it's
Hip-hop
basically a part of my life now.
Happenstance? Is this by design or by...
By personal life.
You pursued that life?
Not really.
Talaga?
It
You
just
just-
happened. I get surrounded by them.
Ben, alam ko na. They were drawn to you. Ganun ba?
As they should, honestly.
Kasi you're very in touch with the street culture
Oo nga eh.
compared to other DJs.
Oo nga, no? And my friends call my music straight music.
Oh, bro. For the gay community,
Okay lang naman. I'm proud of my straight music.
yeah.
I can still
She dances to DMX. How straight can you be?
I can still yassify my straight music to the girly pops.
How do you, paano? Sige.
Ang hirap kasi explain.
I-Jersey Club mo si DMX.
Pwede naman. I just dance to it and like sprinkle my girly pop.
Like, Get Low by East Side Boys pero ang piano. Ganun.
Kinda.
What's your favorite remix?
My favorite remix. Pinaka-favorite ko, not really of all time, but as of the moment is Ric Flair Flaco by Brilliant.
Brilliant.
It's on my mind right now.
You know what? Itatanong na natin yan kailan Manila Junkie. Kailan nyo ba dadalhin si Brilliant dito? We'll ask him later. But, yung tingin niya sa akin is like, he is coming.
Wow.
So, if he says no later, madi-disappoint ako. So, he led me on. Wala akong kasalanan dun. So, if he came here, you can watch his gig for sure.
Of course. It's playing on my mind right now. So like,
That happens, no? That happens.
Yeah.
That happens to DJs. A remix plays in your head.
yeah. I think
Habang naliligo ka.
with everyone naman who loves music in general.
Right? And most DJs became DJs because of love of music.
Yeah.
I always stand by this. Even if you don't want to be a club DJ, even if you don't want to be a gigging DJ, learn how to DJ. It makes you appreciate music more because it makes you understand music more.
Yeah.
Is it the same with styling? Like, you understand clothes more because you're a stylist?
Parang ganun na rin. Or maybe because I just love playing dress up, not to myself, but to other people.
Or stylists that you look up to locally?
Flo Trinidad
Bigat Mukmili.
and Pam Quinones from the editorial part of Filipino fashion. I look up to those stylists.
How close are you with them?
Um,
Alam nila yan.
I used to be Flo's assistant way back 2018. So aside from working at Purveyor Post, I used to be her assistant
How long were you with Purveyor?
for a year.
Because, of course, before I interview someone, I researched them heavily. And ang
Mhm.
nakuha ko sa'yo from Purveyor Post Management is you're very, like, oy, gawin nyo na tong checklist na to. Kailangan nyo tong gawin. Siya yung nagbibigay nun sa mga boss niya.
Really?
Yeah, that's how they describe you.
Oh.
Like, ikaw yung, technically, you're their employee.
Mhm.
Pero ikaw yung, oy, gawin mo to.
Not really. Parang, hindi naman ganun ka-mean na parang.
Yeah, of course, hindi. That's just me.
Well, medyo gets naman. Parang, Boss Marms gives me a list of stuff to do, ganon. But, usually it involves me eh.
Was that your first real immersion into this certain culture that we moved in?
Yeah.
Kasi, well, what better way nga naman, no? Purveyor agad.
Yeah, yun nga eh.
So, you met everyone early. Sila Madge.
Mhm.
Early as fuck.
Yes. They used to go to the events dun sa Post. They always attend sa mga events.
Nakakamiss yung post.
I know. Parang, yun lang yung only time na pupunta ako ng poblasyon on a daytime.
Yeah.
It's pretty
Pag
chill.
nadadaanan ko siya these days, I still look there.
Same.
And parang, it's still empty.
I used to go there like, oh.
I feel like it's gonna be extra sad once you see someone else na. Right now, it's still empty eh.
Oo nga eh.
Parang yung stock room dito. It's still empty, so it's kind of sad. But once you see something else na take the space, it's gonna be even sadder.
Sumilip ka ba sa loob dun, sa Post? Parang, it's the same layout pa din.
Yeah.
Parang wala lang clothes yun.
Kasi after Purveyor Post closed, pupunta pa rin naman ako ng Kubo eh. So nadadaanan ko talaga siya. And there's so many memories.
Nakakamiss, no?
Yeah, nakakamiss. Because you go there and there's always someone there to hang out with.
Yeah. Kahit tambay ka lang, nakakamiss din.
If I asked you today, ano yung gusto mong maging routine mo as a DJ?
Routine?
Ano yung gusto mong maging rotation mo ng gigs? Because every DJ has that.
Oh, I would love to have Wednesday and Friday gigs. Or
Ayaw mo na
maybe-
Saturday?
Pwede rin.
So, are you the type of DJ na gusto kong sa Friday meron akong closer, prime, tsaka opener?
I like to do opening.
What is it niya? You mentioned that before. Why?
I like opening kasi so I could party after, not think about my job.
Ayaw mo nang may isa pa? You're not that kind of...
I always think of having fun after my gig. So, I always think about having fun first than my
So,
DJ.
you're the type of DJ na 1 gig a night
Yeah.
is okay.
I mean, if someone can give me another gig, okay lang.
Nagpaparinig talaga yun.
Pero, but I always get, kasi, madili ako ma-FOMO. So, I
But you're
always
the DJ.
prioritize fun first.
FOMO ka, ikaw nga yung DJ.
Pero kasi you can see your friends having fun na eh. Parang, I wanna be with you guys. Tama na to.
I wanna be with you guys, but you're the DJ.
Gets naman.
They're with you, not
Well,
you with them.
I might try that. Kasi mas mabilis talaga ako ma-FOMO. Like,
Everything happens in front of you and FOMO
but I
ka.
wanna dance with them.
I wanna dance with them, but I've never seen this woman na may kasama sa gig.
Totoo ba?
Skyline, you just left.
Hoy, I have my friends sitting dun sa
Who were not dancing.
They're not dancing.
Oh, so ano yung na-FOMO
But I
ka
wanna
doon?
like, makipaglokohan with my friends. Basta like,
Snardwar versus Eric Andre.
Well, tatry ko yung ano mo.
The way I think.
Yeah. I'm gonna try that. Parang I'm
When's your
having-
next ba?
When's my... Yung all-nighter ko,
So okay, it's a week. A week.
a week from now.
No,
5 days?
less.
Yeah.
It's 23 today.
5 days from now, man.
And you're not prepared, of course. Alam ko kung ano yung prepared, yung outfit.
Yeah. Abangan niyo yung outfit ko. It's the slayest
Abangan niyo yung
you'll
outfit
ever
ko sa
see.
gig ko.
And may naisip ako So, meron akong My Melody na plushie. So, ilalagay ko siya dun sa side ng controller.
So you're a Sanrio girl.
Not really. I just love My Melody. So, ilalagay ko siya sa side, like this big. Diyan lang siya. Then, with my,
Like malaki?
with my
Malaki?
outfit. Yeah, so ganito.
Part ng outfit mo yun.
No, part ng vibe ng So, dyan siya. And then,
Paano kung may kumuha nun?
Hmm?
Paano kung may kumuha?
Hindi pwede. Walang kukuha nun. Away.
You'll be like a photo booth.
No, walang photo booth. They have to take pictures of me first before.
Bruh. Curveball after curveball.
Well, it's my event. So, parang birthday ko. No? Pero
What's
hindi ko
it
to siya
called?
birthday. Milky All Night.
Milky All Night. Sino nag-copy? Ang galing naman.
Ako lang.
Milky All Night pero open decks.
Hindi siya open deck.
Sabi mo
so,
open
ako lang
decks.
magpa-play. No, like, what I meant was, dito yung Sanrio. Iba yung open decks. Yun yung only more
Right,
Sunday
right.
brunch
Yeah.
namin.
Yeah. You guys are always hanging out at Face Melt.
Yeah. I love face melt.
How much work gets done?
What work?
Kasi I know you guys, hindi naman kayo basta-basta tambay lang eh. You guys gonna do something. You're gonna work on something.
Except for me, I don't do anything there. They work there.
Gusto ko
Like,
yung ni-reveal mo talaga yun eh.
they do their laptop stuff there.
And you're just dancing.
I'm just, not really, I'm just there rotting on a beanbag or something. I don't work there, promise. It's not my thing. Pero sila, they love working.
Face Melt's a really cool space.
I love Face Melt. It's a cozy place.
It's a
Malapit
hidden
lang din
gem.
sa bahay ko. So.
Gusto ko ni-reveal din niya kung saan siya nakatira. Sa Bangkal.
Bangkal.
Streets.
May ibang branch yung Face Melt sa Bangkal.
May ibang branch yung Face Melt. So, yung Face Melt Planet was the Pasig branch. So, yung Face Melt na tinatambayan niya is a different branch.
Yeah. Okay lang ba na this whole interview is becoming of a brain rot?
Alam mo, kasi every time I ask you something, you throw curveballs at me. Ilang taon ka na?
I'm old as fuck, man.
Trust me, you
Guess
can't...
my age. Dito na lang. Guess my
28.
age.
Sabi mo, old as fuck.
That-
Not that 28 is old as fuck, because damn.
Yeah, I just said 30. Ganun.
You're
I could say
30?
no. Ganun.
Damn!
I'm not 30. Hoy, I'm 28. 28.
That's not old. That's not old. That's not old. Yeah, validate me. That's not old.
Cool.
Ano yung old in terms of designers?
Old in terms
Because,
of
dude, you're not gonna call
designers.
Vera Wang old to her face.
Like yung mga I might get this by this, but
No, it's you.
it's me. I think yung may mga geometric, yung may mga geometric shapes, like with the very big shoulder pads, tapos parang cinch sa waist, and
Do you
mga,
subscribe to the idea that,
something Lady Gaga 2009, ganun.
like, Lady Gaga breakdown era, ganun?
I'm sorry.
Like, introduction to the pop culture meltdown type, neat clothes, ganun, era.
Yeah.
Why do you think she did that?
Baka kasi weird lang siya, and she likes
I
to...
think it's because of her mentor,
Who's her mentor?
si Marina Abramovich, who's a performing arts.
Oh.
Legend.
That's
Living
cool.
legend.
Cool.
Ole's ex-wife. Sila yung naglakad sa Great Wall of China. Sila yung nakaganon sa arrow.
Oh.
Yung
right.
ginawa nila Len na pose except it's a bow and arrow.
Right. Talaga, mentor ni Lady Gaga.
Yes. So I did kind of understand why she's like that.
Yeah. Gets. I really like her style though. Parang siya yung si Lady Gaga. Like, siya yung inspiration ko on becoming more creative.
Pero lagi ka
During high
naka-black.
school, can I not be creative?
What was
Okay,
your high
black.
school like? Not the place, not your experience.
Like me? Okay lang. I'm a very,
Were you a punk rock girly? Were you a punk rock girl?
punk rock, no. I'm much of a very weeboo. Alam mo
okay.
yun? Weeb. I'm a weeb. I love anime, like drawing animes. I know.
You still draw?
I
You
draw.
have to, because you're a stylist.
Yeah, I draw. But hindi siya ganun ka-ganda. Parang nag-stuck yung skill
You know
ko
what?
sa
I hate when people
high
say that.
school.
The first thing they say about their artist, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Don't say that, man.
Well, kasi hindi ko pinush yung... But I draw.
How much of your weeaboo life affects your current life?
I don't know. Maybe I just stick na maging, I don't know, be myself, I guess.
Yeah, but how?
Tapos parang,
How would you articulate it?
parang hirap eh. Hirap naman ang tanong.
Ikaw ba yung type na mayroong unan ng anime?
No, not that. Drawing lang.
And may crush ka na manga character? Ganun.
Yeah, may crush ako na manga character.
Until now?
Wala na. Wala na akong crush.
Sino yan?
Alam mo yung guy sa Mermaid Melody, Pitchy.
Oh my God, that's so weeaboo, bro.
So, siya yung crush
That's
ko
so
dati.
weeaboo, man. Ang lalim nun.
I know. I used to do these poses
Like-
dati. Like,
She actually did it, man.
that was my
Sana yun
thing.
na lang yung, art mo na ginawa mo sa taas.
Wag. That was my thing.
And how did that affect your social life? Because
Uh,
it limits, sometimes it limits your social life. My experience was, I could only befriend people who could relate to that thing. So if I wanted to interact with someone who is not into that, for example, may kausap kang basketball player, yun lang talaga yung pag-uusapan nyo. Mahirap siya makipag-intersect. Because you're teenagers, eh. That's how life works when you're a teenager. If you have a thing, people expect you to stick to that thing.
well, ako naman, I don't really pick people na who I could interact with. I tend to talk to anyone naman. But, I could talk to anyone actually. Without the weeboo stuff. I could blend with anyone actually.
Have you ever thought of doing a weeaboo DJ set?
No, never.
Why not?
I hate anime now.
You hate
Yeah, I
anime
hate
now?
I judge
Yo.
people who... Sorry, no. Oh my God.
You judge people.
No, I don't judge people.
Watch anime.
No, parang... It's not my thing anymore.
Watch anime.
I don't judge people.
Gina-judge kita, man.
No, I love everyone. It's not my thing. It's not my thing anymore.
Kahit mainstream anime man lang.
Maybe just inspired with anime and Japanese culture, like yung style ko personally.
Did you notice that with the collective we have? We're very Japanese inspired.
Yeah, I can see that. Parang very Japanese yung
Yeah.
logo.
I'll show you the pegs later of how the arts. But
Sige.
yeah, anyway. I want to bounce
Cute.
ideas with you about that. Since weeaboo ka pala.
No, I used to
nagja-judge-
be a
and,
weeaboo.
Yeah, you used to, and now you just judge
Oh
them.
my God, please delete that.
Clickbait. Clickbait, except it's real. I judge them now. What's the judgment? The judgment is, ganyan pa rin kayo. Ang tandaan nyo na. Damn.
Uy, hindi.
When did you stop?
Wala lang. Parang,
I don't think you judge them naman. That's an extreme way of...
yeah, oo nga eh.
Ano lang yun? Intrusive thoughts lang
Intrusive
niya. Binato niya
thoughts.
bigla yun. But I think what you mean is
Kinakain
parang...
ako ng intrusive thoughts ko later.
I think what you meant was parang... The anime phase where it's your whole personality is usually just a phase.
Yeah.
And when you see someone who's still in that phase, it can kind of send some kind of...
You know what? You should be my PR.
I used to work in
So,
PR.
I can't talk with my intrusive thoughts. Like,
You know how many times I've had to interrupt you just to make sure you don't say something too unhinged for the show?
oh my God.
Like, bigla ako na nasabi, ilang taong ka na? It's just me saying, stop.
Damn.
What's the most intrusive thought you've had? Na ginawa mo kasi you seem like the person na,
Oh,
I wanna call you this name. I'll call you this name right now.
okay, so last night we were in Boogie. Tapos I told my friend Misha na gusto ko mag-play. Pero may DJ.
Who was the DJ?
I don't know who's the DJ.
Oh man. Did you
Parang
take
sub
over the
ata siya ni
decks?
Kylo X. Ganun. So sabi ko,
Ah, si Bray.
gusto ko mag-play.
Si Bray. Shout out to Bray Villar.
Sabi ko, gusto ko mag-play. Tapos, sabi ni Misha, bahala ka. Tapos lumapit ako, sabi ko, can I play?
Mabait naman si Bray.
So, he let me play for like a few songs. And yun.
And I think you did the same to Korg sa Last Spirit. Lost
Oh my God.
Spirit.
Yeah.
That's how you get gigs. Go
Pero
to someone else's
Pero
gig.
back-to-back naman kami.
Ah, yung kay Bray, pinaalis mo talaga siya?
Hindi naman. Parang sabi ko lang, pwede ako mag-play.
So, pinaalis mo siya?
Hindi. Sabi niya sakto kasi magto-toilet rin siya.
Ah, as in, ano kayo, he left. He
Yeah.
left. Na pinaalis siya. He just said that. Mabait lang si Bray.
Oo. Sorry na.
Pero really, he had like an hour left.
Pero bumalik naman siya. Let me play for a few songs. Like 5 songs.
Hindi, mabait talaga si Bray. Shout out to Bray. I gave him a Brooklyn Social gig.
Cool.
And then I went to the gig and it was someone else playing. Jowa daw niya yun, I heard.
What?
Shout out to Mrs. Bray.
Mrs.
Na sumalo lang ata kasi may tight yung schedule nila Jiggy. So sumalo lang ng 10 minutes. Wala namang issue. At least hindi siya pinalis.
Hindi ko siya pinaalis.
That's a nice gig you got there. It'd be a shame if someone took it. Right now.
I just wanna play my Ric Flair Flacco.
Ginamit lang niya yung bigat niya sa Boogie, G. Ginamit lang niya.
Yo! Hindi
This Boogie, I can take a gig. I'm from the streets.
Oh my God, stop it.
You know what? Every time I try to get something out of you, I feel like iniisip mo yung sagot and then you give me something else.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Just a one big brain rot.
Like I asked you how old you were
Mm-hmm.
and hindi mo sinabi yung totoo.
Sinabi ko yung totoo.
Hindi mo sinabi yung totoo. You're
Ano
not
sabi?
28 and you're not pure
I'm
Filipino.
28. Oh my God, let me show you my ID.
And you're not pure Filipino.
Oh my God. Ano na ba to? Is
It's not an interview, it's an interrogation. It's not a podcast either. It's an inquest.
brain rot?
Comment section has to be turned off for this episode. Both on Instagram and YouTube.
Oh my God, no.
Hide share count.
Age restrict.
Age restrict. Only 28 and up. Because apparently that's her age.
It's my real age.
Pure Filipina. From the streets.
From the streets.
How accurate is that for you? Baka naman yung streets mo, Bel Air.
I don't go there. Saan ba ka pumupunta? Pob.
Mini stop.
Mini stop.
Sorry, no Uncle John's.
Punta kayo sa mini stop.
Yeah, meet her.
Meet
Manood
me
kayo
in
ng mga lasing na
Mini
auntie.
stop. Or boogie outside.
Unless it's your gig.
Kahit hindi ko gig.
She'll probably take your gig. Ano gagawin mo pag may gumawa sa'yo nun? Paano kung yung Planet gig mo biglang may lumapit? I wanna play.
Sure.
Weh!
Play.
Bro.
Play your favorite song. The deck is yours.
Embarrass yourself.
Oh, hindi. Baka ikaw yung bago kong idol.
But let's circle back to the part where you judge anime lovers.
Oh, sige.
What runs in your mind?
I don't really judge them. Ikaw nga yung Sorry, guys.
We got violent reactions. So, ano ngayon yung
No,
tingin mo sa
ano
kanila?
Huh? Wala.
As in, paano mo like someone says, hey, I like Haikyuu. Ginanon ko. You do you.
Gusto ko yung nabasa mo yung sasabihin ko.
Hey, do you watch Spy X Family? That's cool, bro.
That's cool. Cool story, bro. You do you.
Akin na yung gig mo.
Ako na magpa-play. Sige na.
Pati yung TF ni Bray kinuha mo.
Hindi. Sabi ko, I just wanna play a song. And that's just it. Parang kasi, may gusto akong i-play yung mamayan.
So you like hanging out in poblacion, right?
Yeah.
And like, ano yung mga bar dun na hindi mo pa natutugtugan that you want? That part we gotta actually cut out. Like, for real. For real, we have to cut that.
Alam niyo
Editor's
yung
note.
alam niyo yung lips.
Lips. Editor's note at the mark of whatever this is.
The joke
Yeah,
lang.
for real, we gotta cut that out.
You want me to play? Okay lang.
You want to...
Okay lang.
Gee.
No, you asked me kung ano yung
Oh
ko
nga,
pa
and then
na
you said,
Yeah. Ano pa ba?
how real is this?
Real as fuck.
Real as...
Hindi, No, ano ba? What was the question again?
Saan mo gusto mag-play sa
Saan ko
poblasyon?
gusto mag-play? I wanna play at Apotheca again. Because I haven't played there for a long time.
Somewhere you haven't. at
Haven't
all.
talaga? Na gusto ko.
Nauna ka nga mag-Flame by Phoenix eh.
Oo nga, no. Wala na.
Wala na? Must be somewhere.
I couldn't think of anything.
Japonesa, Alamat,
Ay, Japonesa. Pero parang, gusto ko kasi nung turn up. Na,
Dr. Wine.
Turn up place, Dr. Wine.
Ah,
Yeah,
Turn Up
Dr.
Place.
Wine! Yeah!
Our collective was formed in Dr. Wine.
That is so cool. It's
During a
giving
gig.
LU vibes, by the way.
Yeah, during a gig.
Invite mo ako doon, mag-play.
That's just her way of saying, pag may gig ka, kunin ko.
Kunin ko.
But, we've been doing this for an hour.
It's been that long.
It's been that
already.
long.
More. Let's
Ano
make it
more?
10 hours of Milky and Serious Lack.
Clean your apartment while listening to Brain Rot. Yung branding no show was like, we had Malix, sila Steve, sila Ross Fuego. And by the way, Ross Fuego was a wild episode. But still, we were on the direction pa rin. And we have people on the timeline again. But suddenly Milky came in and like, we have to have meetings with the team about the branding
But
of the
this
show.
is such a good conversation. Akala ko kakabahan ako the whole time. So you're gonna ask stuff about
You were
stuff.
quite stiff for the first.
Yeah. Kinakabahan ako eh.
Kind of like DJ, no? You're nervous for the first 2 songs, but after that, wala na.
Yeah. I'm just not that comfortable pa of talking
What's
about
the
my
most
DJ
nervous you've been
experience.
before a gig? To the point na sumuka ka na.
No,
Or wala pa
really,
naman?
yung sa,
Lost.
yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, kasi sira yung controller.
Kinakabahan pa siya noon, G.
Sira
Nakipag
yung
B2B.
controller kasi I always think that it's my fault whenever na may something weird sa music.
Sana pala tinaranta kita sa Skyline.
Pwede naman eh.
Hala, na-static mo ata yung DJ 1000 nila.
Uy. So yeah,
Shout out to Regardless.
ganon.
How did you come across Regardless?
Si Cinco nag-message lang sa akin.
Ah, okay.
And it happened na marami kaming mutuals.
Right.
My first...
Baka naman you took
gig-
someone's gig.
No, really. Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kinuha nila ako for this, parang may mga...
Skyline wasn't the first naman eh.
It's not.
Yeah, yeah.
Sa Hosik.
Oh,
Yung O-side, yeah.
shout out to La Sisi.
Real.
Yung mga bangkal boys.
Sir Carl.
But, bumabagyo na. That's all the time we had today.
Ah,
That's all the time we have today for
wala nang
brain
more.
rot.
Wala nang more.
Only more.
Only more na. Could have been a whole day,
Of this?
Yeah,
You think people will watch on whole day of that?
of course.
Honest answer.
Yeah, of course.
This should be not in, it's in my DNA. I want to start a new podcast
should-
called Unhinged as fuck.
Yeah, we should start another podcast.
Tapos kakawawain mo lang yung mga ini-interview. You like anime?
Oh, hindi.
Tapos pag umuho, you like anime? You like anime? Ugh. Just kidding, bro. I have stacks and stacks of manga at home. I got the right to say that stuff.
Totoo?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I have Air Gear, Bleach.
Wow, I love Air Gear.
May panahon natin yun.
Oo nga eh.
Air Gear, Bleach, marami pa. Airtight container. Sa mga Thor boxes, I kept them na kasi too embarrassing to display. And they take up a lot of space.
Cute. Do you also have like a body pillow?
No, but I'll admit as much as this, I want one.
Oh, okay lang. I would want one as
A
well.
waifu pillow.
A waifu pillow. A Hatsune Miku.
Oh, Hatsume Miku Beach.
Mm-mm.
Link down below if you wanna send that shit to me on Amazon. That's all the time we have.
Okay. Nice.
Once again, this is Serious Slack. And
And
this
I'm
show is
Nikki.
called Unhinged as fuck. Co-produced, co-directed by Bracket Sai behind the camera. Presented by On The Menu. Thank you, my good.